Good morning to all of you. Today we have to discuss about the work done by the variable force. In the previous video we calculate the work done by the constant force, but now we calculate the work done by the variable force here. Let us suppose that the force is F equal to Kx. This is a force, K is a spring constant and X is the displacement here. Now we take, this is a block M, mass M, and apply the force F equal to Kx, so that the displacement create along the x is equal to 0, along the x-axis, x is equal to 0 to x is equal to d. D is the displacement here. In the case of variable force, we calculate the for a small displacement here work done dw equal to f dx with the help of integration here. Now integrate this from the displacement 0 to d here, so that we have to find the total work done, so that integration of dw is equal to 0 to d, x is equal to 0 to x is equal to d, and f into dx is very small distance between this block, very small distance work done given by dx, and integrate this from x equal to 0 to d. We have to calculate the total work done dw equal to 0 to d, and k is equal to, and f is equal to kx here, putting f is equal to kx dx. Now k is a constant comes here, and integration of x to power n dx, integration of x dx equal to integration of x to power 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1, so that x is square by 2. Integration of this is x is square by 2, putting this is a lower limit, this is upper limit, x is equal to d, k d square by 2 here, and x is equal to putting 0, this will be equal to 0, so that the required work done equal to kd square by 2. Now we see the some example here. A variable force F is equal to 5x square is applied on the block, and displacement x is equal to 0 to 5, x is equal to 0 to 5. Find the work done. In this case, M is here. Applied a force F is equal to 5x square, and displacement x is equal to 0 to 5. Now we know that the work done dw is equal to f dx. Integrate this from x is equal to 0 to 5. Integration of dw is equal to 0 to 5. F dx, f is equal to 5x square, that is given here, and 5 comes here. Integration of x square dx, x to power n plus 1, 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1, that is x cube by 3, so that 5 x cube by 3, and limit x is equal to 0 to 5 here, putting the value of x equal to 5, 5 the 25, the 125, and x equal to 0, that total will be 0, so that 5 into 5 to power 3 by 3, and this is 625 by 3. This is a work, so that total work done is equal to 625 by 3 joule. Now the example second, here is a block and apply the force 5x plus 3 then the displacement create 0 to 2 meter, x equal to 0 to x equal to 2 meter. Find the work done in the similar things. dw is equal to f dx and integrate from displacement 0 to 2 f dx. F is given here 5x plus 3 and integration of this 5x का integration x square by 2 in 3 is constant 1 dx, that is x, and putting x equal to 2 in this case 2 to the 4 5 is 20 by 2 is equal to 10 and 2 3 is 6 and putting 0, that is 0, so that total work done equal to 16 Newton. Now we take the third example here. In this case, force F is the function of t and F equal to 2t. Force is the value with the time t and M is the 1 kg. Find the work done. This displacement from the time 0 to 2 seconds given, and find the work done in this case. M is equal to 2 kg here. M is equal to, in this case, M is equal to 1 kg here. M is equal to 1 kg and force F is applied to t time t is equal to 0 and calculate the work done from t is equal to 0 to 2 seconds here. Now we know that dw is equal to f dx. Integration of dw equal to time 0 to 2 and f is equal to 2t and dx is equal to what here? F is equal to 2t given and f is equal to ma, as you know, with the help of Newton's second law, and 2t. In this case, m is equal to 1 kg, so that a is equal to 2t here, and acceleration rate of change of velocity, that is known as acceleration, so that it can be written as dv by dt equal to 2t, so that dv is equal to 2t dt, and dv integrate this v is equal to 0, in this case 0 to v and 0 to, in this case here 0 to t dt. Now this is equal to v and this is 2 and integration of t dt, t square by 2 cancel, so that v equal to t square, and as you know that rate of change of displacement is known as velocity, so that v can be written as dx by dt, in this case equal to t square, so that dx is equal to t square dt. This value putting in this dx is equal to t square by dt, so that 2 t cube by t cube dt, integration of t cube equal to t के power n plus 1 and 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 t के power 4 by 4 and limit 0 to 2, so that putting the value of t equal to 2 के power 4, that is equal to 16 by 4 and t equal to 0, that vanish here, so that 4 is 16 and 4 2 is 8 joule, so that work will be, in this case, 8 joule. Now we take another example. Work done by the variable force here. Now example 4 here, in this case, if force F equal to 2t plus 1 and mass equal to 1 kg, find out work done by the particle in the 1 second. Now we here the force F is equal to 2t plus 1, force is the function of t applied on the this at the t is equal to 0, we have to calculate the work done after the work done in after 1 second here. In this case, now we know that work done equal to F force into displacement F dx, and dx is the very small distance. We calculate the work done for is very small, calculate, then after that integrate it, we get the total work done here by the integration here. D omega, integration of d omega is equal to 0 to t. Here t is equal to 0 to t is equal to 1 second. At t is equal to 0, velocity also be equal to 0. So that t is equal to 0 to 1 to t plus 1 f dx, f comes here, and dx here, we know that f is equal to 2t plus 1 given here force, and with the help of Newton's second law, f is equal to ma, mass is to acceleration 2t plus 1, mass is 1 kg given in this problem, so that a equal to 2t plus 1 here, and a is the acceleration, the rate of change of velocity with respect to time, that is known as acceleration here, so that a can be written as dv by dt, that is equal to 2t plus 1, and now dv is equal to dt comes here in this case, so that now again integrate from here dv, integration of dv limit 0 to v, in the initial position velocity is 0, and after that is velocity v, and 0 to v, dv is equal to 0 to t, 2t plus 1 into dt here. Now v equal to this integration of 2t to t square by 2 plus 1 dt equal to t here, so that 2 cancel, and v is the velocity, rate of change of displacement is known as velocity, so that v can be written as dx by dt, and this is a t square plus t here, putting t square to 0, next term will be 0. Now dx equal to t square plus t into dt comes here in this case, so that work done equal to work done w equal to 0 to 1 times 0 equal to 1, 0 to 1, and 2t plus 1 dx, putting dx equal to t square plus 1 dt here in this case, multiply this 2t to the power 3 and 2t square, here t square, and here plus t, 2t square and t square, 3t square, this term comes here, this comes here. Now integrating this 2 t के power cube and t के power 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 and 2 t के power 4 by 4, 3, 2 के power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 and 2, 3 t के power 3 by 3, and this is a t square by 2, t and 3 cancel, putting upper limit t equal to 1 and lower limit t equal to 0, so that t equal to 1, this is 1, and this is equal to 2 by 4, 3 cancel, t equal to 1, and t equal to 1 by 2, and putting t equal to 0, rest terms will be 0, so that this is 1 by 2, 1, and 1, 2 joule. Now work done in this case in time 1 second is 2 joule. Now question number example 5 here, if a force that is a yj variable force acting on this, and here in this case y equal to 0 to y equal to 10 meter. Find out work done in this case, so that we know that work done is equal to F dx. But here we write dx by the dy in this case, because the displacement are given in the form of y here, dy, and limit will be y equal to 0 to 10 here, 0 to 10 y dy, integration of y equal to y square by 2 here, so that putting y equal to 2, y equal to 10, 10 the 100 divided by 250, and y equal to 0, that is equal to 0, so that in this case work done will be 50 joule. Now example 6 here, in this case force F is equal to yi, and displacement here in this case x is equal to 0 to x equal to 5 meter. Force F applied on this, as you know that dw is equal to F dx. F are also given y I cap in the vector form here, and dx can also be written as in the vector form, so that we know that I is equal to 1. It can be written as y dx, and here 0 to 5, 0 to here in this case 0 to 5 here, so that y dx, as we know that particle move in this case in straight line, because only one component are given here, so that particle move in this case in a straight line. Let us suppose that y equal to x, so that putting in this case y equal to x, work done is equal to 0 to 5 x dx, and integration of x dx, x square by 2, putting x equal to 5, 5 is 25 divided by 2, that is 12.5 joule, and putting x equal to 0, that terms vanish. Now if the particle move in a straight line y equal to x, now we take another curve. If y equal to x square, in this case work done 0 to 5 x square dx, and integration of x square equal to x के power n is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 here, so that in this case x के power 3 by 3, and putting the lower limit and upper limit here, upper limit 5 25, 5 100, 200, 125 divided by 3, and x equal to 0, rest terms vanish. Here 125 by 3 joules. This is our answer. This force is depend on the path. Here we see that we take y equal to x square, so that this force is depend on the path. So work done is depend on the path. It means that it is a non-conservative force, because force is depend on the path, so that this force is non-conservative force. Now we study in the next video conservative and non-conservative force. Now like, subscribe and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.